Now our next question. Let Dn denotes the number of positive integer divisors of positive integer n. Means number of positive divisors we have to find. And R is the number of integers n less than or equal to 2023 for which this condition satisfies. Sigma di I equal to 1 to n is odd. Find the sum of the digits of R. Okay. In the properties of perfect squares, already I told that the number of divisors of a perfect square is odd. That one we will use in this solving of the problem. Now you see, Dn is the positive number of positive integers of n. For example, D10. D10 means how many divisors are there? 1, 2, 5 is a divisor, and next 10 is a divisor. So how many will come? 10 will come. Sorry. 4 will come. D of 10 equal to 4. Now you see, R is the positive integer n such that the sigma di is odd. For example, you take n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means sigma I equal to 1 to 1 di. Means I value only d1. d1 means 1. So, which is odd number, which is odd. Therefore, this one we have to count. So, what we have to take R values, we will take 1 we have to take. Next, n equal to 2 you take that. Sigma I equal to 1 to 2 di, that is d1 plus d2, that is d1 is 1. How many factors 2 has? 1, 2. 2 factors. That is 3. This is also odd number. So, n equal to 2 also we have to count. N equal to 3. N equal to 3 means sigma I equal to 1 to 3 di. d1 plus d2 plus d3. Okay, up to d3, 3 came. 3 plus d3. 3, how many divisors it has? 2 divisors, 1 and 3. 5, which is odd. N equal to 4. Sigma I equal to 1 to 4 di, that is equal to up to 3 it is 5 plus d4. 4 how many divisors it has? 1, 2, 4. 3 divisors are there. So 5 plus 3 is 8. This is not an odd number, even number. That's why 4 we should not take. 3 also we have to take. I forgotten to write. 4 we should not take. Next, n equal to 5 you take. N equal to 5 means this 8 plus d5 will come. 5 how many divisors it has? Only 2. 1 and 5. So 8 plus 2 is even. So 5 also we should not take. N equal to 1 we have taken, 2 we have taken, 3 we have taken, 4 we have not taken, 5 we have not taken. N equal to 6 you see that 6 has 1, 2, 3, 6. 4 are there. Here already 10. 10 plus 4 is even number. This one we don't take. 7 we will see. 7 means here we will write that for 6, 10 plus 4, that is 14. Here 14 plus 7 divisors. Only 2. 16 will come. This one also we should not take. Why? Because it is a even number. N equal to 8 we will take. 16 plus 8. How many divisors it has? 1, 2, 4, 8. Again 4. 20, which is not odd. So this one also we should not take. Now n equal to 9 you see implies 20 plus 9 is perfect square. So n number of divisors must be odd number. 1, 3 and 9 only. 3. So 23 which is odd. Therefore 9 we have to take. Next 10 even number will come. Odd number plus even number, odd number. 10 also we can take, 11 also we can take, and up to 15 we can take. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 we will say that. 16 is odd and our previous one is odd, so even will come. 16 we don't take. Now, if we observe this pattern, these 1, 2, 3 we can count. After 4 to 8 we are not counting. 9 to 15 we will count. 16 to 25 we don't count. Like that, the pattern we can develop like this. What R values we can take? 1 to 3 we have to take. 4 to 8 we should not take. 9 to 15 we have to take. 16 to 24 we should not take. 25 to 35 we have to take. Like that it will go. Now we observe that 1 is a odd perfect square, so we have to take. When it is even perfect square, we should not take. Odd perfect square we have to take. Even perfect square we are not taking. Odd perfect square we are taking. So up to what we have to do? Here what is the last value of n? 2023. 2023, what is the perfect square just before 2023? 2023, find the square root. 4 4 is 16, 4, 2, 3, 8. Here 5 we should not take. I think 4 only. 4 4 is 16, 32 plus 1, 33. Okay. So just before 2023, 44 square is there. 44 square is the last perfect square just before 2023. So we have to take 43 square to 44 square minus 1, and 44 square to 2023 we should not take even perfect square. This is odd perfect square. So between 1 to 3 how many are there numbers? Between 4 to 8, 9 to 15 how many are there? 25 to 35 how many are there? Like that we have to count. Here 1 to 3 we have to take. 1 to 3 means 3 only numbers. Am I correct? And 9 to 15 means what? 9 to 15 is 7. 25 to 35 is 11. Like that we have to calculate. But is it possible to calculate up to this one? It is not possible. That's why one general form I will develop. Here you see, we have to take only odd. Here one thing we will do that. Up to 4 we will write. 4 we don't count. Between 1 to 4 including 1. Here 16 we will write. Here 36 we will write. So here you see this is even number square, right side. Here 2m minus 1 whole square, odd number. Between these two r must be there. Now you see here equal to not necessary. Between 2m minus 1, how the values will come? You see, put 1 n m equal to 1, 2 square is 4, m equal to 1 means 1 square is 1. M equal to 2 you put, 2 into 2 4 square is 16, 2 into 2 4 minus 1 3 is this one will come. Like that all the values will come. The last value of this one is, here we want, what is that, 44 square, up to 44 square means m equal to 22 we have to take. So, between these two how many values are there you see, that is 2m whole square minus 2m minus 1 whole square. This much values we have to take between 2m 2m minus 1 whole square and 2m. We are not considering 2m whole square. And m value starts with 1. So these all sigma we will take. M equal to 1 to the final one is I told that 22. When you take 22, then only it is 42 whole square. Here 43 whole square will come. So sigma m equal to 1 to 22. This is, simplify this one, 4m square minus a minus b whole square, a square, that is 4m square, plus b square, but minus is there, minus 1, minus 2ab, minus 2ab means minus 4m, minus is there, plus 4m. Now 4m square cancel. This is sigma m equal to 1 to 22, 4m minus 1. This is nothing but, now I will rough this one, 4 sigma m equal to 1 to 22 minus sigma 1 m equal to 1 to 22. Now we see, direct formula you can write, otherwise you write like this. Why? Because some students of class 10, class 11, they don't know this formula. That's why I am using this one, m equal to 1 plus m equal to 2 plus and so on plus at last m equal to 22 minus m equal to 1 means 1, m equal to 2 means 1. Why? Because here there is no m to substitute. M equal to 3 means 1. Like that 22 once we will write. Now 4 into, what is the sum of these two? You calculate that one. This will come like this, 23 by 2 minus 22. This is 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. So it is 44 into 23 minus 22. How much it is? 43 into 20, 44 into 23, 12, 92. So 2, 11, 1012 minus 22. When you subtract this one, 0, 11 minus 2, 9, 990 will come. That is the number of positive integers less than 2023 for which this one is odd number. So this is the R value. R equal to 990 and the sum of digits of R is 9 plus 9 plus 0, that is 18. So the answer for this question is 18.